Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The Tourism Ministry has announced a $100 million facility for young inventors and innovators who have passed through the Tourism Innovation Incubator. Funding is being disbursed by the Exim Bank. Now, the incubator, managed by the Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF, will see entrepreneurs trained to build out businesses. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says in addition to the incubator, more economic development is needed, especially for youth.
And we put 40 million Jamaican dollars against that as a means of beginning to mine ideas, to find young people across Jamaica who have no collateral, whose parents are not necessarily wealthy and able to support the generation of new thinking, and to await the conversion of those ideas into material things that have a value and a price.
Mr. Bartlett says ideas and innovation are the way forward for continuing economic growth and development in a post-pandemic era. The Tourism Innovation Challenge through the Tourism Innovations Incubator was launched on November 30. Now, a number of entrepreneurs were selected for the initiative. 13 proposals were selected for funding. Local fuel distribution company Fesco has added a new category of fuel at the pump. Now, the company has started selling its Futuron 93 octane, called the Gold Standard, at select Fesco locations island-wide. The class of fuel tends to be preferred for forced induction engine vehicles, high compression engines, as well as luxury and high performance motor vehicles. Now let's head to the currency market. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.34. $114.09 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $189.02 for the pound, while it's costing an average $165.56 for the euro. The JSE index lost 1,613 points today, while the junior market index gained 40 points. Among the winners were JMB Group 7.25% shares, Honeybun, Consolidated Bakeries, Supreme Ventures and iCreate, while on the losing side were Epley 7.5% shares due 2024, Epley Ordinary Shares, VM Investments, Siboney Group and Carib Cement Company. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.